Please subscribe for more videos.
We've got 6 colours: red, yellow, blue, green, purple, orange. Let's lift up the red one. Lift it up, lift it up, lift it up. We found the letter A. Let's lift up the yellow one. Lift it up. It's the letter B. Blue bowl, lift it up. We found the letter C. Green bowl, lift it up. It's the letter D. Purple bowl, lift it up. We found the letter E. Orange bowl, lift it up. There's the letter F. I think there might be something hiding underneath the doors. Let's open the purple one. Open. There's the letter G. Open the blue door. There's the letter H. Open the yellow doors. Open. It's the letter I. Open the red door. There's another letter. It's the letter J. Open the green door. We found the letter K. Open the orange doors. It's the letter L. Let's open the blue door and see if anything's inside. There's a letter. It's the letter M. Turn it around and open the red door. Another letter. The letter N. Turn it around. Open the purple door. The letter O. Turn it around and open the green door. It's the letter P. Shall we lift up the eggs and see if any are hiding under here? What do you think? Yes! Lift up the green egg. It's the letter Q. Lift up the purple egg. It's the letter R. Lift up the blue egg. It's the letter S. Lift up the yellow egg. It's the letter T. Lift up the pink egg. It's the letter U. Lift up the orange egg. It's the letter V. It's JJ. And they're playing hide and seek. Shall we lift it up to see if he's hiding anything? Lift you up.
You found me!
We found W. Let's lift up this JJ.
You found me!
We found X. Can you see anything in Noah's Ark? What's that on top of the red thing? It's the letter Y. Let's lift out all the animals to see if there's anything else. Lift it out. Z. Well done, everybody. We found all the letters of the alphabet. Thanks for helping. Bye.
Please subscribe for more videos.